What's up again, YouTube? It's your boy Zip007. That's my YouTube name, I guess. Just started back up. Today I'm going over my everyday carries or my first two pickups real quick. It's how YouTube short. We're gonna start with the Glock 43X. Glock 43X. That's really a good one. Clear. Ran flawlessly, and I have the got the 54 Pro Mad 50. The gun is not pointing at me for all you soy boys. And this is a 9mm Glock 43S 9mm single stack with 50 in it. Next I have the M&P 40 1.0. These right here was trade-in from the police departments. 357 said, I don't know if you guys can see that. 357 said. Didn't took this out there to the range yet, but will pretty soon. Yeah, these are my two handguns, so far. I'm gonna go back to the house, and I'm in a whole different state right now. I'm out of state, so yeah. Have a good one.